Equality!
When do we want it?
Now!
When do we want
Equality!
When do we want it?
Now!
When do we want
Equality!
When do we want it?
Now!
It is now finally time for their relationships to be recognized under our country's laws, ready to be active participants in our society. As we share our stories with those who are on the fence about these issues, respect and support that our families count on every single day. Thank you.
My husband and I were just married in January, and he's a federal employee. I support marriage equality, so I can share benefits just as my heterosexual friends on the other side. That's why I'm here. This is why I fight for him. That's why he is working to support us, and I'm doing my part to support him.
Hi, I'm Susan, and I support marriage between one man and one woman because it has to do with the comprehensive sexual union between a man and a woman. Two persons of the same sex are unable to have that sexual union, and also with the comprehensive sexual union, usually you have children, but you can choose not to have children or whatever. But the children are a byproduct of that sexual union. The society needs to see that marriage between a man and a woman shows how relationships work between men and women. They work these things out. They may have issues that go on in their lives, but they work these things out and they stay together. It is sad that society has gone the route of adultery and fornication and so forth, things that ruin a marriage. That is very sad. And I think that's what's kind of led up to today, is the disintegration of the family. When the family disintegrates, then you begin to accept any sort of view that comes along.
I had the pleasure of witnessing the marriage of two of my male friends, one of whose mother was in 4th stage of breast cancer. It was a real joy for her to see her son finally married. And I know that when she passes, she'll want to know that he's equally protected under the law in case something happens to his husband. And that's one of the reasons I'm out here.
We met when we were in college, when I was 18 and Nelda was 19. And at that time we chose a song by Roy Hamilton called The Right to Love. A marriage equality law would provide fairness for gays and lesbian couples. Nelda and I believe everyone deserves the right to live their lives in a committed legal relationship with a person that they love and for the protection for their families.
Separate but equal doesn't work anymore, so it's just a matter of basic equality, and that's why I'm out here today.
I'm here in support of traditional marriage. I believe that marriage should be about protecting the rights of children produced by a man and a woman.
I have 2 children, and I want them to know that their family is equal.
I'm Jim, and I'm from the United Methodist Church in Washington, D.C., and we voted overwhelmingly a few years ago in September 2010 for marriage equality in our congregation, 367 to 8, because we believe that all our brothers and sisters who love each other should be treated equally. And so we overwhelmingly voted for equality. Today I'm coming out to reaffirm that support and let everybody know that at least our branch of the United Methodist Church believes in marriage equality for all.
Alright, this is our sign. We're here supporting marriage equality. I think it's going to happen. The time is right. The tide is turning.
That's funny. Is that funny?
We got married in Maryland, or actually we got married in D.C. last July. And a family ceremony down in Washington, D.C. or at Disney World. It's got to be more than just right.
wonder what happens when you're stuck.
It's not about intervening in politics, it's about intervening in civil rights. I mean, there's a fundamental question. Do the people have a right to dictate others' civil rights?
And I'm so proud to stand before you and say that Labor submitted amicus briefs challenging the constitutionality of Proposition 8 in DOMA.
Yes!
Stand shoulder to shoulder with you.
Truly, the foundation of marriage is by God. It is the first foundation, and it is one made of love. So there is no hate or animosity. You know of them, but you don't know about them. And if we knew about them, we would want to get rid of them.
And I'm Sean Neidorf, and I'm from Christ Congregational Church in Silver Spring, where we actually took a unanimous vote in favor of marriage equality at the state and national level in 2010. I'm here as part of the faith community supporting rights for same-gender couples.
We want to live the American dream, and we want to have the same opportunity and privileges that other married couples have.